Today we are going to review a vehicle tire inflating pump. So I bought this because I currently am driving a Chevy Bolt and the car does not have a spare tire. So I wanted some way to air the tire up in case I got a flat tire. So I found this on Amazon and just got it today. Just took it out of the box. I've not even opened this box yet, so we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to see how it's packaged and see how it all fits together. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. Pull some pieces out. Got a plastic hose. Looks like some kind of adapter. So a battery adapter. It looks like this probably has a plug that goes in a cigarette lighter. So we have an adapter here so you can hook it directly up to a battery or to the cigarette lighter inside of the car. Looks like it has a bag that you can store it in. Here's the unit. Has a small bag with some accessories in it. Looks like the cord is pretty long, which would be nice, depending on what size of vehicle you have. I'm sure it's listed in the specs, but it looks like it's probably 8 feet, probably, I'm guessing. Has a nice rubber hose. It doesn't appear to be like a hard rubber or anything. Has a nice handle to it. Has a gauge digital display that you can look at. Like probably about a 6 to 7 foot hose if you fully extended it. Comes with some instructions. Looks like it's got a knurled end, so you could probably do this if you were out on the road without any tools. And the other end, it looks like screws over the valve stem of your tire. So all the pieces all fit inside the bag. It's got a few pockets here. It looks like to put the hose in and the accessories. Like there's plenty of space. You don't have to really cram it into the bag too much. Let's see how well this fits in. Like kind of a snug fit inside the bag for the unit itself. Not too bad once you get it positioned okay. Roll the hose up. Slide the electrical cord in. And there we go. Not too bad. Not a real tight fit. Seems like there's plenty of room. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do a real world example here. I've got a Chevy Bolt that has a tire size of 215/50R17. I've got all the air out of the tire, which would simulate being on the side of the road with a flat tire. And we're going to turn the unit on and see how long it takes to pump the tire up from 0 psi to 35 psi. I've got the unit plugged into the cigarette lighter instead of the battery. One thing to note is when you use the cigarette lighter, you do have to have the key in the key on position, so be careful you're not in a situation where someone can sneak up on you and steal your car while you're trying to put air in your tire. So one thing to keep in mind is that this unit has a preset factory shutoff at 30 psi. It does have an adjustment where you can preset the cutoff, so if you want to air the tire up, you'll have to manually change that preset. I've changed it to 35 psi, and now we'll time to see how long it takes to go from 0 to 35 psi. Okay, so there we have it. 2 minutes and 58 seconds, so just a little shy of 3 minutes. Again, that's a 215/50R17 tire, going from 0 psi to 35 psi.